Hello everyone, my name is Cristian Negulescu and you know me for a lot of automation with UiPath. We have the Salesforce connector, ServiceNow connector, Jira, Confluence and so on. I have a lot of videos about triggering the UiPath from different softwares, and I have a lot of general videos about how to work with different items from UiPath. Today we'll talk about how to upload files to an HTTP request and provide tags in different, so we'll talk about multiple parts for data, yeah? So the default HTTP request activity do not allow us to do this complex stuff. So let's see what will be the approach. The approach will be to do an info code, but to understand step by step, I will show you the commands and all the stuff. We'll do it from Postman, then we'll do it from C#, we'll do it from visualbasic.net, and then we'll put on UiPath Studio. As usual with my videos, you will find all the code here on the GitHub. I will let in the description of the movie, I will let a link with the GitHub with all the code that you need. Good, so we have this post. We have the URL for the post. We have on the header that on the accept will be application within this. Yeah, we'll have for the authorization. In this case, will be an auto authentication, so we'll have a beer token. And then we'll create a form. On the form, we'll have a file that is the address of the file, and then you have some other content. We have some string content, yeah, parameters that go with this file. Let's understand how we'll do this from Postman. On Postman, I will have the link where I will do the post. I will do an auto authentication, and I will put the beer here, the token. On the headers, I have to add accept. And on the accept, I have the application VN. In my case, what I have on my accept. And then on the body, I will go and say form data. And I will put here multiple stuff like text. And the last one will be a file. Yeah. So I will go here, select file. And when I select file here, I can have the ability to select the file from the hard disk. I will select it again. And it's this one. Okay. So when I hit send, the system will make an HTTP request, will take the file and put all the string tags, and then I will receive back a file. If I receive back a file, it will be something like this, yeah? So not very easy to understand. But we'll see how we'll write this file to the hard disk. So that was the procedure on the Postman, yeah? Post, authorization token, headers with accept, and create a body with from data, form data. Let's see how we'll do this on C#, because a lot of people, they are used with how to work with C#. We'll do it on C#, then we'll do it also on VB, and then we'll copy to UiPath Studio. So on C#, we'll do an HTTP client. We'll put the URL. Then we'll make a post on that URL. We'll say on the headers accepted will be this application VM, what you have. The headers, I will put the authorization. Yeah, I'll write here authorization. I will say beer token. Or you can put basic. I will show you on the code. Then I will create a multi-part form data content. And on this multi-part form data content, I will put string content with my values. And for the file, I will use stream content. Yeah, you see it's here stream. And on the stream, I will put file open to have my file. Then I have the file, which is the tag for the file. If you remember here, the tag is file. Yeah. And here I will put information is the name of the file. Yeah, so I have to provide him you have here there are multiple. So it's content, tag, and name. Yeah, and file name. Good. Then the request will have this content, so multi-part content, and then I will execute I will send the data. On the response, I will read the response as a stream. Yeah, I will read the response as a stream asynchron. I will copy this stream into memory stream, and then I will convert it to byte. And then I will have this function that will write on the hard disk my result. Yeah. So let's see on the hard disk, it's empty, this folder. If I run this, this robot, so I will go here. I have an application, I will run it. And normally on the end application, end of download. Let's go back. And here I will have the file, which is the response from the server. I will not show you the file. Good. Let's delete the file and let's do the same stuff from visualbasic.net. If I want to do it from visualbasic.net, the code will be like this. Dim client and so on. I will put the URL. I will put the headers. I will delete. I will clear all the headers. I will put the accept header to be application VN. I will put authorization beer token, and then dim multi-part content, string content, stream content, the same one, and then the same procedure to download the file and write the file to the hard disk. Let's run it, and let's see that it's working, yeah? So here it's a console application, and the system will tell me when this is finished. The system is finished, okay. And I have again the file here. Now, let's move this to New UiPath Studio, yeah? To be able to do it on New UiPath Studio, I'll create a new process, yeah? I'll create a new process to see directly from the beginning how we'll do this movement with all the stuff. What is important here, and we have to take a look, it's about here we have some imports, yeah? And we have to check that we need to import the stuff on our UiPath Studio to have this, this library with us, yeah? So let's see when my UiPath, or I already have on this one, so it was working, but I want to show you all the steps with import variable. Here you have to import the variables, and we'll see that you don't have some I create a process test VBB like this. So the system will create a new process for me, and on this process I will put invoke code, yeah? So invoke code was the procedure that allowed me to call the code. So I will go on the main one. I will say invoke code. I will drag and drop invoke code. On the invoke code, you will see that I'm able to choose VB or C#. I will put it with VB. I will say edit code. I will copy the code from VB that was working. Control C, Control V. And now you'll see that we'll have some errors because I don't have that that elements. So what are my libraries here? My libraries are import.NET HTTP and import.NET HTTP headers. Let's see what we have. So we'll say system.NET HTTP, and you see I don't have the HTTP headers. To be able to add the HTTP headers, you will go here to manage package. You will go to all packages. You will write system.NET, and you will select this one, system.NET by Microsoft. You install it, and in this way you will have, I hit save. In this way you will have on your package, you will be able to have system.NET HTTP headers, yeah? So let's see how the studio will put this library, and then we will add the import. So still I have the error. I will say system.NET HTTP headers. You see it? Done. The error is still there, but this is just a refresh from Studio. So I will hit save. I will close, and we'll go again. And you see here I don't have any error. So if I run it now, you will see that the robot will be able to download the file. I will have the file here. As usual, like I said, the code will be on the GitHub. So I will provide you in the description of the video. I will provide you the code from the GitHub. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel, like my video, comment on my video, and tell me what else you want to see on my channel. I wish you a very nice day and have a good one. Bye.